Okay, so we were doing a little bit of role play, and Steven brought up why we would go with Hardie Board versus LP or vice versa, and then also threw vinyl in there. Hey Jeremy, will you actually grab a piece of that vinyl? That's a good idea too. So right here we have LP Smart Side, we have Hardie Board, we have some old asbestos tile, and we have some wood shake. And what we're talking about is this LP tends to wick more moisture, so if the siding installer puts it in a location where water's going to be touching it, it's probably not the best product. You probably want to go with a fiber cement that doesn't absorb so much moisture. If you're in an area where you're going to get a lot of hail and it's going to be out of the water, then you're probably going to want to go with LP because I said it was stronger. So we decided that we're going to do a little bit of a test. All right, so we're going to go with the LP first. We're going to start about right here. Just nick the primer just a little bit. Now this is not painted, but it is primed. So that was just a little nick. Now let's go to this asbestos. That didn't work too good. Let's go to this is a Hardie Board lap siding. Oh, it did fracture it. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little crack right there. Mm-hmm. So now this piece of Hardie Board is now compromised. Piece of wood shake. It's going to be, only this portion is going to be exposed to the wood shake. So that's why I'm putting these closer together, because you're never going to see this much of a shake of this size exposed. Maybe that much. Split it. So far, asbestos and wood shake, not a good option. Now this is a vinyl that we did, unfortunately, just install in a customer's house, so I hope it's durable enough for a hammer. Did compromise it just a little bit, but not very much. Now, we are just using a smaller piece. Whenever these boards get in closer, it's gonna make whatever's sitting on top of it a little bit stronger. So I feel like if maybe it was a little bit longer piece, it maybe would have damaged it a little bit. But keep in mind, all these products are brand new except for the asbestos tile. These are all brand new products, never been installed, never been weathered. So this is gonna be, right now, right here is gonna be where they're gonna be able to function the best. 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now, the results may be way different. So out of everything, the LP Smart Side is gonna be the strongest siding material. Where it just barely, I can barely even tell, oh, just barely nicked it right there. And everything else seemed to pretty much break. That's it.